dobre, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So we just arrived in the Wilda area, especially now I am in the Rynek Wilda key. it was a very hot and sunny, and suddenly boom, it's raining. So yeah, I was waiting for the rain, and then I will explore the area around Wilda or around Rynek Wildecki. So yeah, let's see. In front of me is a brand new apartment building, and let's look at this white building apartment, and down there so many shops. And yeah, now we are in the Rynek Wildecki, so we will explore the area here. It's mostly like the market. I think that the market is closed. So yeah, let's see. That's in front of me is the church. Let's see then. Look at these beautiful blue flowers and roses. Very nice. Look at this beautiful church with the clock tower on the top. And here on the left, as usual, Rynek, which is market. Unfortunately, it's closed because today is the public holiday in Poland. Sham shop, which is open, but I think they sell the gingerbread. While waiting for the rain finish, I will take you to explore around. So maybe we can go to the church and see how it looks inside. Let's go. Look at this beautiful church inside. Blue color. And surrounded just like this. It's a beautiful church and clock tower, and surrounded is the market down here, and up here is the apartment. I think this one is the brand new apartment concept, and down there is the coffee shop and also the shop. So let's go to the park. See, wherever we go, park is close by. This beautiful building in front of me, the red brick one, and here in the middle is a very nice green park basically, and there, that's the fountain. Let's go there. Very nice. Look at that beautiful blue sky now after the rain, and this one is quite old building in front of me. This is the park, and here is the fountain. Beautiful. And overviewing the church and the clock tower, and that is the Rynek. Yeah, this one is in the area of Wilda district. I remember that my husband and Wuyek and Chochang said long time ago, I think that after the war, and during the historical places, Wilda area or Wilda district is considered as not safe or dangerous because there are so many crimes here. I think that it's just because of the historical things. So now slowly is changing into better and better. So yeah, hopefully it will change. The progress of changing will be up and up soon. This is what I hope. Look at this building in front of me. This one is the Plac Marie Curie Skłodowska, around 1898 until 1948. And that behind is, I think, the brand new apartment. And look at this building, the red brick building. This one is actually Politechnika Poznanska. So Polytechnic Poznan. And that is the apartment, and also Rynek. Let's go. One thing that I really like is that the building, high building, and in the middle is must be the park, and just like this. And also there is the, I think, the basketball court. Very nice and clean park. Decided to buy a hot cappuccino and also eclair in this coffee shop. It's actually the same bakery or pastry next to my place in my apartment, but I try here. They have a big coffee shop like this. Look at these beautiful roses and flowers. This is end of spring and gonna summer soon, and we are again back to the church area, and I really like this park, Swenti Mihale. And here is in the intersection. As you see, that's the building, red brick building, and this one is the intersection. Look at the blue sky. And in the middle is the nice small park with the statue. And look at this road, Ulica 28 Sersa 1956. So basically this road with the cobblestone is coming from 1956, and in the middle is a park, and that is the church and the clock tower. Nice. So the time showing at 3, so I think that this is gonna be an event in here. Police everywhere, and yeah, this is the market. The market is closed because today is holiday. Look at this red brick building. So I think that this building is exists from a long time ago, and until now. You see down there is so many shop, even the travel agent Bureau Podrusi and some shop. And here is the shop, and this one is the tram, I think. So I think that's all my video today, guys, from Wilda, the district called Wilda. So today I just exploring another district other than Yesice. So yeah, what I see is that it's nice, clean, and yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Go back home. We should take the tram number 10 or number 9. We go to Mos Teatralnya. While waiting, this is how the situation, the traffic, the clock tower, the market. So I think this one is the center of the Wildečki. Look at these beautiful flowers on the street. Very nice. Pink roses and smell so good. This is the traffic situation. Actually today is not that busy, so maybe because today is holiday. It's so nice.